the Vice Chancellor Dr. Shafiqur Rahman to come on stage and share his insights about the event.
In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. I, as the Vice Chancellor, University of Balochistan, take this privilege to warmly welcome all our colleagues, delegates for their presence on the International Conference on Plant Sciences and Management of Drylands for Agriculture and Biodiversity, a step towards sustainable development. Arranged by Botany Department in the University of Balochistan, Quetta, in collaboration with the HEC, ORIC and other organizations. My respected guests, Pro-Vice Chancellor, Deans of faculties, faculty members, members of the administration, students, researchers, it is indeed a pleasure to welcome you all. And after welcoming you, I must apologize for the inconvenience caused by this technology. And I hope after concluding this session, in the next session, Dr. Islam would continue his presentation and would definitely give you the knowledge and the information about the drylands and the steps being taken by the government of Balochistan and the government of Pakistan and other research organizations. Dear participants in this conference, we are grateful to have presentations, talks and speeches of well-renowned scholars, researchers of international repute. Professor Dr. John Karen Wallen from the Department of Natural Resource Sciences, Medical University, Canada, and Dr. Benjamin, Faculty of Sciences and Technology, Sabutla, Rajapad University, Thailand. I'm thankful to have with us the Pakistan's eminent scientists and researchers as guest speakers. Dr. Khair Muhammad Kakar, Pakistan Oilseeds Department, Ministry of National Food Security and Research. Dr. Muhammad Islam from the International Center for Agricultural Research in the Dryland areas, Islamabad. Dr. Sarfraz Ahmed from Pakistan Agriculture Council, Islamabad. Dr. Khalid Saifullah Khan and Dr. Rahmatullah Qureshi from Pir Meher Ali Shah Agriculture University, Rawalpindi. Dr. Mustaq Ahmed from Qaid-e-Azam University. Dr. Hussain Ali from Agricultural Research System, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. Dr. Muhammad Arif from the Department of Agronomy, Faculty of Crop Production Sciences, the University of Agriculture, Peshawar, and Dr. Kharim Hasni and Dr. Aslam Muzdar from the Laswera University of Agriculture, Water and Marine Sciences, and my elders and very senior faculty members, professors. I am very much pleased to see the students and my faculty members for their active participation in holding first ever international event at the University of Balochistan after 2 years of pandemic, due to which not only our educational activities were affected but also hard our research as well. This is the first international conference in the University of Balochistan which is organized by the Department of Botany. This conference focuses on the research area of plant sciences, existence, cultivation and economic values of medicinal plants of dry regions, current scenario of rangelands and livestock production, and the management options for the rangeland restoration, besides the production of livestock to meet the growing population demand, and hazards of mining activities to the quality of crops and management options. Dear faculty and researchers, you will agree that the academia international conferences are important in promoting research and teaching. Such activities help develop the motivation for research and improve the learning skills in youth. Furthermore, these activities are also highly important in making awareness about recent advances in research in a given domain of the science and technology. We are glad to have participants from all over the country. This conference will be a good platform for our students and researchers to interact and create linkages for future researches as well. We are thankful to our sponsors, Higher Education Commission of Pakistan and Pakistan Oil Department, Ministry of National Food Security and Research, to organize this conference. This event will be an opportunity for students and researchers to streamline their future objectives towards sustainable development goals with specific reference to goal number 2, that is no hunger. Goal number 3, that is good health and well-being. Goal number 8, decent work and economic growth. Goal number 15, that is life on land. We expect that this platform will open opportunities for students and researchers to be more successful in winning grants to participate more efficiently in the growth and development of the nation. However, holding an event of this kind needs support of government, national and international organizations in order to focus our research towards the problems being faced in the area. Having said that, the financial crunch the universities of Pakistan are facing with special reference to University of Balochistan, I use this platform to appeal to the high-ups and the government either at the provincial or a federal level to support the universities to build a nation. I would expect a meaningful outcome of this international conference in the form of recommendations that best explain the solutions to the current problems related to the themes of this conference and the production of diverse projects funded by national and international funding agencies. I look forward to see this conference as a productive avenue to the development of Balochistan in the sector of production and industrialization of medicinal plants, agriculture and livestock production without compromising on biodiversity of this region. Remember, our elders came before us and did great deeds which are still remembered today. Today, we do something in terms of strengthening and functioning of these institutions. Then these institutions, the students studying in these institutions, and the new generation who benefit from them will remember us. Otherwise, we too will be buried in the dust. They will perish like the people who did nothing for this country, nation, and the state while having power and authority. I thank you very much for your presence and participation, especially those who have come from other than this university and province, and welcome you again to this conference. I also appreciate the efforts of this organizers, especially Dr. Shamim Gul, Director Auric, Dr. Sanaullah, Dr. Kalimullah Mandukhail, Dr. Ali Akbar, Dr. Sobi Ramzan, Dr. Shazia Saeed, Dr. Tariq, Dr. Sharif Hasmi, all the Department of Botany Department, all the faculty members and staff of the Department of Botany, Dean of the Faculty, Dean of Research and Administration for holding this conference. May Allah be with us, take care of yourself and take care of those who take care of you. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Pakistan Zindabad.